Hi everyone, my name is Kevin and we are back with another installment of our behind the scenes look at an upcoming exhibit called Everyday People, the Art of James E. Ransome, which was created by the National Center for Children's Illustrated Literature and sponsored by CFP Foundation. So you may recognize Rose in the background. So she's finished with her condition report. She's logged every single piece of artwork that has come in and taken an assessment of it, and we are good to go. So now it is the hanging day. So she has all the artwork laid out with David helping her over here. And now what they have to do is hang it, make sure it's level, make sure everything is spaced really nicely and evenly. And it can be a very tedious process, but they go one by one with every single piece of artwork that's in here. And it's gonna go all across Kids Hall. So they're starting here, and they're gonna end all the way down there. So it may take a little bit of time, but that's just one of the many types of work that goes behind the scenes for one of these exhibits. So when we do open back up, come over and see it. It'll be really cool with a lot of fun artwork. It's called Everyday People, the Art of James E. Ransome. Once again, my name is Kevin.